Welcome to you AI Agents Army. Finishes hundreds of marketing tasks in seconds. On the left menu you will see the options like Let's Work, Text to Image, Image to Image, Text to GIF, Text to Audio, Train Chatbot, AI Templates, My Assets, Media, Leads, White Label and Settings. And, in the top right corner, you get options to manage your profile, update your password, team management, and oversee both your and AMP, client's workspace, subscription management, and video tutorials. This central hub puts everything you need right at your fingertips for seamless management and convenience. Alright, let's dive in. Click on Let's Work. Here you can find all AI agents who have expertise in different tasks. Categorized for business, coach, education, health, leisure, and many other. Let's me select Freya Smith, who is social media influencer. Enter the task you want Freya to do or simply select the prompts from here. Here we have niche-specific prompts which allows you streamline your projects. Let's understand how you can leverage the full potential of AI Agents Army with example. Suppose you command create good Twitter post for Ferrari car. AI Agents Army will create beautiful tweet posts for Ferrari. Your next command create Facebook, Insta, and other social media posts using previous tweet post. It'll create it instantly. Your next command using previous Facebook posts to create a full blog on Ferrari. It'll create it in seconds now. Ask AI Agents Army to create a video script of 5 minutes using the previous steps and demand it to write good YouTube video descriptions using previous steps. Then ask it to make good PPT on luxury cars. Set this as your automation, and ask AI Agents Army to repeat it for other topics like organic farming, football, cosmetics. Use AI Agent Army to automate hundreds of other tasks and to train other hundreds of agents. Imagine the multi-level automation of AI Agents Army. This is the next level of ChatGPT. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis, your personal AI butler assistant. Breathtaking reality with our AI image generator. You can generate different type of AI images like oil paint, robotic, watercolor, and many more. Input some keywords and click on Generate. Here you can see, we have generated amazing AI images based on your input. You can view, download, save to these AI images to My Assets. Moving to image here, choose an image or drag it here, input some keywords and click on Generate. Here you can see, we have regenerated your image, based on the input provided by you. Next is text to GIF. Input some keywords and click Generate GIF. Here you can see, we have generated some amazing AI GIF, based on the input provided by you. Now comes Train Chatbot. To train your chatbot, the first section is choosing a theme. Next is the profile section, where you can personalize your bot according to your branding. You can update your bot profile image, bot widget, bot name, its language, and theme colors to match yours or your customer's branding at any time. Now comes the question and answer section, where you can set a welcome message for your website visitors, which you can update or remove anytime. After that, you can fill in the FAQ and answers form. Now training your chatbot using website URL or upload your PDF files. Select your preferred autoresponder and choose the list where you want to manage leads. Finally, click Save and copy embed code. Next is AI templates. Here you are getting thousands of eye-catchy templates. Use them for you or for your clients' projects, preview or start editing them. Once you have done with the editing, save it for later use or download. My Assets. This is central hub of all your completed work. You can manage all files, images, videos, audio in specific folders and create unlimited folder for smooth workflow. Moving forward to media is the central hub of 2 million plus images, videos, GIFs, so you can search and download and use them for your or your clients' projects. Next, move to the leads section. Here you can manage all leads generated using trained chatbots, manage and export leads anytime. Now comes the most demanding feature, whiteleable. Everyone wants custom branding on products to become authority, and that's why we are giving an opportunity to you. Replace AI Agents Army dashboard logo with your own branding as well as on trained chatbot footer branding. We are giving power to add different logo to add on dashboard in trained chatbot footer so you can present AI Agents Army as your own, create client accounts with their branding and have 100% control with you. I guess you are amazed with the white labeling feature. Now move to the settings. Here you can manage settings of your account, manage workspace, manage clients, watch tutorial videos, subscription, integration, support, bonuses, and session. Let's explore integrations part as its most important feature to collect leads and sales. We are giving all major autoresponder integration to collect leads on automation, CRM platform, webinar integrations. Moving on to manage clients, add new client in just snap, simply enter the client's name and email and the all new client account and ready with his separate login details, auto-deliver on client email address. And the most important thing is we will manage customers support for you and your clients as well. Sounds amazing. Yeah, it is. So that's all about AI Agents Army. I am Atul Parikh thanking you to being with me. See you on the Inside Members area.